In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get free gifts on TEMU and spin the wheel. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open the application and ensure that you are logged in with your own account. And then all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the U tab on the bottom of your screen, and now this is where you want to simply go ahead and look for the option that says earn rewards. So at the moment they don't have any reward systems going, but if there's going to be a little earn credit and free gift option right over here, where you can simply go ahead and click on that and look for options labeled spin the wheel, redeem credits, farmland, or even fishland. And you can use your daily free spin or complete tasks like sharing with friends to earn spins. Once you win, you can select the items to be shipped for free. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and